and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. We've got a new video today. We are doing a PR unboxing. I have some boxes here that I've received this week, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you guys. Really quickly, before we get started with this video, remember that our schedule here on my channel is I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and that is when you'll find new videos from me, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you do not miss out. Also, on Wednesday, we posted a new giveaway, so we have a ton of fun products in there, so if you guys want to check that out, I will have it linked down below. And let's get started with opening some of these boxes. All the boxes here right in front of me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening them. I actually haven't looked in almost all of these, so I'm excited to dig into these boxes. So the first one here is from Influenster, and if you guys don't know what Influencer is, it is an app that you guys can use to find reviews and review products. They also like to send out their boxes every so often if you guys qualify for them. So I will have it linked down below if you guys want to go ahead and check Influencer out. It isn't just for content creators. Anyone can be on Influencer and receive free products. So I actually wasn't set up to get a box from them, so I'm not really sure what this is actually. So let's go ahead and read it. It just says, congrats. There's no really way to put this. You're the best. You've earned an amazing prize inside this box by being a model member of the Influencer Nation. Thanks for making Influencer the best community of product lovers in the world. So it looks like they just sent me a special little package. So let's see what is inside. Ooh, so we have some Katvond D, you guys. This is exciting. So I have two different Katvond D. It looks like lipsticks. So this is Studded Kiss lipsticks. I've actually never tried Katvond D's lip products at all. I really want to try the liquid lipsticks because I know everyone really likes that. Lolita is like everyone's favorite. I've actually never tried Katvond D's lipsticks though. So let's open these and see what they look like. I'm excited. Oh, these are full size too. Okay, I wasn't sure if these were like little travel ones, but they are full size. Look at the packaging on this. Katvond D has such cool and unique packaging. Okay, so this is the shade Hellbent. And here's what Hellbent looks like. It looks like it's a really, really pretty red shade. And then let's go ahead and open the other shade. This is such a fun little surprise. I didn't know I was getting this box from them, so this is cool. This next shade here is Cathedral. Let's see. Okay, so this one looks like more of a mauve red shade. Oh, I didn't even notice. It has like really cool like imprint there, the Katvond D logo. That's really cool. These are so cool. I love the packaging. I'm gonna have to like display these. I can't wait to try them out. Thank you so much to Influencer. That was such a surprising package. So this next box actually just got here before I started filming this. So this is from Pixi. I just opened it up. So let's see what's inside here. Oh. Okay, so, oh, this is cute. There's like a little lock on the box. That is so cute. It has like a little key. Their last package was adorable too. Pixi is just like, oh, it's actually locked. So we have to open the lock. That's so cute. Oh, the little lock says Pixi on it too. Their last PR package was so cute too. This is adorable. Okay, so we're opening the lock. I'm gonna have to save this. Like, look at how cute that is. It has the little Pixi logo on it. That's adorable. Okay, so let's see what's inside of the box. Oh my gosh, so it's like a whole little storybook. So it says here we have to open to reveal the key to glowing skin, and then it has a little story here about rose and how rose products are good for your skin. So let's open it up here. Okay, so it's like a whole little, let me see if you guys can see. So it's like a whole little thing here. So it looks like we have two different skincare products here. So we have the Rose Caviar Essence. So here's what that one looks like. And then we also have the Rose Flash Balm. So this is a moisture prime and use for hydrating mask. It doesn't want to come out, but here's that one. And then it looks like on this side, we have 5 different, what are these? Matte Last Liquid Lipsticks. Full color payoff in a single stroke, hydrating while long wearing. And it says that they are infused with rose hip seed oil. I used to use rose hip oil all the time on my skin, and I used to love using it. So these are what the liquid lipsticks look like. And this one is in the shade Matte Beige. So let's swatch it. Ooh, it feels really, really nice. Look at how pretty that is. I really like the applicator too. I really love Pixi because they are an affordable brand and they have some really, really amazing, amazing products. So I'm really excited to try out the rest of these lip products. It looks like they have a lot of mauve tones, so I can't wait to play with this more. And this package is absolutely adorable. So the next package that I have here is from Octoly, and I believe this is something that I've been wanting to try for so long. When I saw it was in the free store, you guys, I like freaked out because I've been wanting this for so long. I'm so excited right now. So this is the CHRISTAIN Louboutin lipstick. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging on this. It's like so luxurious. Okay, so let's open. Oh, it flips up and everything. So here is what it looks like. So I got the shade Casanova is how it looks. It has like a long little kind of little ornament-like thing on it, and then this is the actual bottle of it. Look at how cool that is. I'm totally displaying this, and I can't wait to try it. Okay, so here's what the applicator looks like. Now this is expensive. This is an expensive lip product, so we'll see how we like it, but the shade looks really pretty. It definitely feels like it's gonna be like a sticky gloss. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. I will be doing it in a Instagram video for sure, but look at how pretty this is. I just wanna like hang it and stare at it all day, every day. The next box here that we have is from Milkmakeup. So they sent over their new Luminous Blur Stick. So it says this launches on the 23rd, and it's gonna be $36. Available at Sephora and milkmakeup.com. I always love their little packages. They are so cute, and I really love that they have like the little sleeve and everything. I totally reuse these. So let's see here. Okay, so this is a luminous blurring stick. So I have the original one. In the winter, I'm definitely about anything that is going to be luminizing or glowy because my skin just gets so dry. So here is like a swatch of it. So you can see it is definitely has a luminous glow to it. I'm really excited to try this because I do like the original blur stick. So the idea that something can blur and illuminate sounds amazing. So I can't wait to try this one out. Thank you so much to Milkmakeup. Okay, so the next package here, this is from Beth Bender Beauty, and they said we were super excited to have you try out our eye candy stencils. And so let's see. Okay, so we have here, have you guys seen these on Facebook? They reached out to me and asked if they could send me their stencils, and I was like, yes, because I've wanted to try these just for out of pure curiosity because I've seen this on Facebook so stinking much. Okay, so you guys have probably seen it too. So it's like that little stencil. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like that little stencil that you guys can use to put on your eyeliner and just like pull it off, and it's supposed to be like a perfect eyeliner. So we'll see how that goes. And then it looks like, what is this? I'm not really sure what this is, so let's open it up and see what's inside of here. I know that that one has the stencil, and then it looks like it has some gel liner as well. So let's see what's in here. So we got like a little wrapped up thing. So let's see. Oh my gosh, there's so much paper. Oh my goodness, look at how much paper there is. I'm still going. What's in here? Okay, so it says Pixie Dust. So I'm not really sure if this is a okay, so it looks like this is a highlight. So it's like a little highlight. The packaging is really cute. It has like this little diamond on it. So we gotta swatch this. Ooh, it feels really buttery. Oh my gosh, really pigmented. Okay, so let's swatch it here. I'm trying to swatch away from the other stuff we've already done. And it's right there if you guys can see it. That looks like it's gonna be really pretty. I'm excited. I didn't even know they were gonna send more than the stencil, so that's super cool. And then let's see what else we have in here. There's something in here as well. So it just, it looks like it's an eye palette. Oh, okay, so this looks like, is this an eye palette? What is this? Eye Inspiring. So it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette, but the pans are fairly large. And it looks like you could definitely use this shade for a blush. So I'm really excited to try this out. Let's see how these look. They look pigmented again, so really excited. Thank you so much to Beth Bender Beauty. I can't wait to try all these goodies out. This came in like this cute little sleeve, so thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to do the stencil and see kind of if it's worth the hype that you guys see. I'm gonna swatch this one really quick just so we can see what that color looks like. Really, really excited, so thank you guys. So the next package here is from Derma E. You guys know I love Derma E skincare, so I am excited to see what we've got in here. Your beautiful new year. Let 2018 be the year of you. Okay, so it looks like we have some Resolve to Stay Healthy, Keep Your Face Fresh with these after workout Derma E Hydrating Facial Wipes. I'm actually running out of wipes, so this is like perfect timing. And like this little thing, but it looks like they have hyaluronic acid in them, so I'm really excited to try these out. I always need new makeup wipes. And then it looks like we have some new masks as well. So we have a purifying, firming, and brightening mask. So 3 different little masks here as well. I don't think I've ever tried a mask from them. I don't know if they have any. I know they have like their clay mask and everything like that, but I've never tried like an actual little mask. So I wonder what these retail for. It doesn't say, but if I can find them, I'll link them down below. And then it looks like they also sent over, what are these? Regular Girl probiotic dietary supplements. Okay, so it looks like some little, I don't know if I'll use those, but the rest of the stuff sounds great. So thank you so much to Derma E. And then I just have one more package here from Octoly as well. And I know what this is, and I'm so excited. So this is from YSL, and I actually ordered their Black Opium perfume. I'm so excited. I have a like little trial size of this, so I was so excited to get the full size. Look at the packaging on that. You guys, Octoly, if you are an influencer, it's such a cool thing to get higher end products and just products you've always wanted to try. So let's see here. The packaging on this, you guys, is so, so pretty. I've got to spray it. Okay. Oh, it's even got like glitter on the bottle too. Okay. It smells so, so good. So I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna like display this too because this bottle is adorable. And I love the smell of this, and I'm sure it's gonna be super long wearing because it is YSL. So really excited about that. I think we got through all of the packages. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you have any other questions about any of the products we opened, I'm gonna try and link them all down in the description box as well. I wanna get better with doing my description box links this year, so I'm gonna try and link everything down below that we unboxed. And thank you guys once again for all of your support and your love. You guys make this all possible for me, and I'm so thankful for you guys. And thank you to all of the brands who sent me these amazing packages, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.